I'm Fatima and today I am going to be making Semiya Payasam. First I'm gonna roast cashew nuts and raisins. First heat little ghee in the pan. Once the ghee is heat, add cashew nuts. Roast until golden color. Now I'm going to add raisins. Roast for few seconds. Now it's ready. Remove the cashew nuts and raisins from the pan. Keep this aside. In the same pan, roast the vermicelli until golden brown. This gives a wonderful aroma and flavor. Now, remove from the pan and keep it aside. Now, I'm going to caramelize the sugar. Let the sugar caramelize until golden brown. To this, add some ghee also. Once the sugar is caramelized, add condensed milk. Mix it well. Now slowly pour 1 liter of warm milk. Stir it well so the caramel blends smoothly. Then add roasted vermicelli and soaked sago seed. Cook until it turns soft and absorbs the caramel flavor. Add more sugar if needed. Finally, mix in cardamom powder and garnish with ghee roasted cashews and raisins. Our creamy, sweet and flavorful caramel Semiya Payasam is ready. To try this recipe and share it with your family. Thank you for watching. Bye.